Good morning. Today is Monday, March 31st, 2025. I am here at Palm Cove Marina. This is an after video for Aurora. Before I show you the boat, let me go ahead and catalog your zincs here real quick. You have two transom zincs. DP 612s will work perfectly for it. You have two R4 trim tab zincs, two R4 or R5 rudder zincs. You have two bow thruster zincs and two stern thruster zincs. They are all four the same size, so I will get the specific size in the notes. And you have two size C, D, or E spur zincs for line cutters. Your shaft size is 2 inches and 3/4 inch, but I did not see any shaft zincs on the shaft. All of your running gear is covered in prop speed, except for the bow thruster and the stern thruster. And other than that, that's about it. That's all the other notes that I have. So let's go ahead and check out the hull cleaning. They've been dredging up and kind of kicking up a bit of dirt, so I'm going to try and get you the best possible view that I can, but let's just go ahead and check it out.